It look like I'm done. I'm just sitting here talking, not even paying attention to how far I've made along. Hey y'all, it's your girl Lanee, and today I'm just doing a tutorial. I don't feel like washing my hair, but but something needs to be done to my hair. Like look at this new growth. Something needs to be done. So I decided to just make a video and post my first New Me Naturals video in a long time. So, but I have been posting on my Lanee channel with my children. So if you are not familiar with that page, please go do subscribe and watch our videos that we have been posting, because we have been posting on there at least once a week. We try. But I'm gonna get right into this video. I'm probably gonna do a few on, like, you know, slow enough for you guys to see, and then I'm probably gonna speed up the rest and then show you guys the end result. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna sorry, hear my kids talking and screaming in the background. It's time for bed. Don't know why they're still awake, but anywho, I'm gonna spray my hair because we want it to be damp. We don't want to work on dry hair. We want our hair to be damp. We don't want to work on dry hair. So I'm gonna spray it with my handy dandy water bottle, and then I am going to put some oil on my scalp, and this is my New Me Naturals oil. It's a hair oil and a body oil named Blessings. If you're interested, comment below. Email me at newme.owner@outlook.com if you're interested in any products. This spray bottle aggravates the crap out of me. I don't know what happened to it, but something happened and I don't like it. All right. It needs to be soaked, but it needs to be saturated, people. Saturate the hair. Not soaked, but saturated. Don't want to work on dry hair. All right, y'all, let me stop talking. For the most part, I'm probably not talking. I'm trying to do a voiceover. So I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Okay, so this is my first time ever doing this. Honestly, I never felt like I could do it. I'm 3 years, and now this past November was 3 years, and I just feel like my hair was too short to do something like this, or I didn't think I would like it. But I seen people with at least my length or even a little bit shorter who did it, and it looked really nice. So we're gonna see what this do. I guess you put it up like this. I seen somebody twist it like this. I don't know. I gotta get my hand movement right, and then twist it down. Oop, twist it down. Twist it down. Okay. I gotta get the hang of this, y'all. All right, y'all. So, as I said, I gotta get the hang of this. So, you know, I'm just doing my thing. Speeding up the video for y'all so it don't take a million years. And y'all don't gotta sit here with me while I'm doing these. So, right here, this is where we're getting the hang of this thing. I'm gonna do a few. Get it where the getting's good. So here, I just looped it. I was trying to get the hang of, once you loop it, like getting it back around and your hair kind of staying retwisted, because I noticed that about it. Like once I was doing some, my roots were definitely unraveling, which is fine. I really didn't give a shit. I just wanted to see. I really am doing this because I want to see how the takedown is. Since my hair is getting longer, it's more difficult to figure out how to do curls. I used to do Bantu knots when they were shorter, and it was awesome. My curls used to come out so bomb, but now that my hair is longer, Bantu knots hurt like crazy. And the sponge rollers are not the most comfortable thing. But them will probably... I love the curls that come out with the sponge rollers. So that is definitely my go-to if it comes down to it. If I can't find another way to do my curls. But yeah, we done got like 4 down. And like 51 more to go. I think I have 55 locks, y'all. Hopefully I don't hear anybody in the background, aka my children, aka CNC gang. If y'all go over to my other channel, Sia Lanee, you will see much of me and CNC gang. We do TikTok viral videos. We eat a lot on that channel. So if you like to eat, go see about us. Okay, y'all, here I'm halfway through. And that's what I have left to do. So on to the back. Let's get this thing done. Let's get this thing going. I think by now I have the hang of it. My roots were still not staying retwisted. But again, that's fine. That was not the point of this. I just wanted to see if I knew how to do it. I wanted to see how it looked on my medium length hair. You think your hair long till you try to do some of these things and your hair ain't as long as you think your hair is. But yes, you guys, if you made it this far, please like, comment, subscribe down below. If you have locks, like this video. If you have any style ideas, comment down below. Okay, y'all, it looked like I'm done. I'm just sitting here talking, not even paying attention to how far I made along. But it looks decent. It looks decent. It's not what I really wanted it to be, but what can you really expect when your hair not that long? But it looks all right. It looks all right, though. I did a good job.